Hi, this is Naomi. We're going to do some healthier cooking, and I may not have had all the correct ingredients, but you just take baby steps. So, first of all, I've got a 9 by 9 glass pan with parchment paper I've set in there, and this is a banana breakfast bar. And so this is kind of another breakfast meal, and I'll post the final look of it after it's done as one of the main photos. But this is the wet mixture. It has 3 bananas. I had them ripe so they would be more moist, and it calls for 1 cup of all natural peanut butter, and I just had peanut butter. I had creamy, and a 1/4 cup of honey and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. And so I mixed all of that. And in the dry ingredients, I have 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. These are not your speedy 1-minute oats. This is just old-fashioned oats. 1/2 cup grated coconut, and it calls for 1/2 cup sliced almonds. I put these in the pulser, and so I just pulsed them. I probably would have preferred them to be sliced, but that's okay. I've already got the wet ingredients ready to go, and I'm just going to dump the dry ingredients. I'm trying to hold the phone and mix everything and then flatten it into the pan. Hold on. I'm going to get one of those little stands next time that I can use 2 hands. It's going to mix really well. Those wet ingredients, because the bananas were already ripe, I think helped. And I don't even know where this recipe came from. I think I was just looking up healthy breakfast meals. And so the last video and this one are breakfast meals. And this is mixing up really well because the bananas are moist. So anyway, we're going to put this in this 9 by 9 pan that already has parchment paper and flatten it out, and then we're going to bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 350, and hopefully it comes out really good and yummy. I'll let you know in the wording that I post. So I wanted to make it as short as I could so you see what it looks like wet, and then I'll post the picture when they're done and go from there. So I'm going to let you see it like it is, and then I'll show it to you at the end. Thank you.